What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I haven't talked about a lot of things on my channel, right? I haven't talked about certain plays that I'm invested into. Look, I got dog hair all over me. What's going on here? But I haven't talked about a lot of plays that I've been invested into for a while. People have pointed this out and said, hey, you primarily talk about a lot of the plays that you're the most bullish on, whether it's Jasmine Coin or XRP. And I obviously want to be able to mention some of the other plays that I'm in as well. Things like Farmcoin and, Cosmos and the coin that we're bringing up today, and exactly why I am bullish on it and where I believe that this is going to go. Is this going to make me an absolute millionaire with this play? No, I don't believe that's the case. However, it will provide an opportunity for a lot of people if they also see it as a benefit. Now, I want to get into it in this video. We're going to be talking about Kryll coin. I know some people have been asking me about this, but I just really haven't seen the popularity, and I honestly don't see the level of popularity on YouTube right now. But I'm still going to make the video because I'm good with revenue for this month, and good with talking about a lot of the different plays that I'm talking about. So I love to talk about the plays that I'm very bullish on, and mainly I'll talk about these within Patreon. Any plays that are outside, I invested into maybe like three more things, and I love to talk about these different projects on various videos, mainly on maybe the Matthew Perry 2 channel or something like that. But let's talk about it on this channel. Let's talk about Kryll coin in this video. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget about my link for Margex. If you guys want to trade for Margex, I've been trading on Margex. I've been actually investing in heavily on certain plays and seeing how the market is running right now. I mean, things look pretty great currently. So anyways, guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. But let's go ahead and dive into what's going on with Kryll coin. Because if we look at the chart right now, it's currently at 83 cents, which is not ridiculous. It's not crazy to see it at this level because it was at a level of like 5 cents or $4.99 at one point. And this is not saying that it was worth multiple billions of dollars. Like, it was worth millions of dollars, hundreds of millions of dollars at that point, and it could be worth a lot more in the future. Now, currently it's standing at 83 cents, almost, round up to 84 cents, maybe if you want to, but it's seeing a 67% increase in the last day, in the last 24 hours. Movement has been absolutely amazing for Kryll coin, and we've seen this flourish out of nowhere. We've seen this push up to a massive level, and I've had this for a long period of time. Ever since it started to really decrease down and it got down to a level of like $1, that's where I decided to kind of go all in at a level of like 50 cents, 40 cents, those levels, right? 30 cents. And I think I have a cost basis of about I want to say 50 cents. I'll have to, check exactly what that is over on Coinbase. But I'm definitely significantly higher than where I stood when I bought it, right? But we're seeing an $8,400 amount or balance in my portfolio. And again, that's significantly higher. I believe it's somewhere around the $5,000 mark. So I should be like 3,000 some odd dollars up on this play. And I think it has so much more room for growth, right? It now just hit 84 cents. It has so much more room for growth. I believe it can go so much further with where we stand. It's currently at a $32 million market cap with having a solid use case and a lot of popularity, being on S-tier exchanges, right? This is what matters, right? Being on an S-tier exchange is what truly matters about a different play if you can have that volume that goes into it. So volume that we're seeing is up 3,577%. It's up to $10.2 million. That's not a lot of volume. And to have that little bit of volume affect the overall price in that manner and see it up 69% is massive. This is just the beginning stages for Kryll. I honestly believe that this can go a lot further than where it was at the all-time highs. However, I do have levels to where I'm going to take my initial investment, which would be a value of about $5-ish or so. So we're not near there yet. We know altcoin season is ready to go, but Bitcoin is still making a move right now. So we're truly not even seeing altcoin season yet. But the volume to market cap ratio is sitting around 30%. 30.5%. If you look at the total supply, the circulating supply, 38 million, right? It's not talking about billion or trillion or quadrillion or anything like that. 38 million, meaning that this gets to $1, it's a $38 million market cap. $2, you have about an $80 million market cap, and so on and so forth, right? It's not ridiculous levels to get to $1 and $2 and $3. It has so much more room for growth than things that don't have any type of a use case, right? So, if you look at the markets that it is available on Coinbase, available on KuCoin, available on Gate.io, Crypto.com, and has 11 different trading pairs. It's not a crazy amount of, trading pairs there, but you are seeing some of the more popular ones where you have Coinbase that it's available on, the amount of volume that goes through there, 5.7 million, KuCoin 2.4 million, and so on and so forth into everything else. And then you see Crypto.com, which is around $200,000. So once it all gets said and done, right, you're going to see Kryll coin that does make a massive move with the places to where it is tradable. Now, what is Kryll coin? Kryll coin is basically a coin that's created, and what Kryll is, it's a mess of trading bots, right? If you know about the AI kind of narrative and how we want to find the best way to trade and all of that stuff to give you the information of trading. Well, how about putting your money with a trading bot, being able to gain so much more in the end by just having Kryll trade for you. I'm kind of distracted right now because I see Kryll that's still making moves as we're speaking about it. It's up to 86, almost 87 cents. And it's about like the level of volume. We can see so much more that is going into this. This is up 74% as of the time of recording this video. And I'm going to put whatever the highest percentage is on the thumbnail and the title because, Kryll doesn't really have that level of popularity yet. And if it does have that level of popularity, the sky's the limit. I've held this for a very, very, very long time. It must have been like 3 years, 3 years at this point, 2 years, 3 years or something like that. I've been holding it for a long, long time. And to be able to see this level of movement is absolutely fantastic. So I just wanted to, hopefully a lot of other people see that benefit as well. But I would imagine that people have seen it because they've asked me for it. People have said, hey, when are you going to talk about Kryll coin? Is Kryll going to make any type of moves? Why do you believe in it? And I've talked about it in the live stream. I just haven't made a specific video for it. But feel free to go and check it out yourself. I can provide some of the links, but you can go over to CoinMarketCap and you can get the website and go into everything that they have, right? So enter the new era of crypto trading, experience the ultimate trading bot marketplace and online crypto trading bot builder with simplicity. So again, very simple to understand, but more of an investment side. You're like, I'm making money on this. It's up 75% at the time of recording this video, and it just continues to climb. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. And if you want to check out Margex and start trading on Margex, feel free to, do that as well. I have a referral link down there. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.